Okay, hello. Hmm. Hello. Today I will discuss about the partial differential equation. Okay, partial differential differential equation. Okay. The first of all, we have written here the partial differential equation. We know any differential equation which involves the two variables or more than two variables is there. Partial differential equation means when we derive with respect to x, when derive with respect to x, then y and other variable as treated as a constant. This variable as constant treated. Okay. When derivative with respect to y, then other variable as constant treated. Okay. So these are the actually partial derivatives. So first of all, we can notation formation we can do. The standard form of partial differential equation or standard notation. So see, standard notation, standard notation of PDE. That means partial differential equation. You can do the standard notation of PDE, or that means that is a partial differential equation. The first of all, you define that is P, that is del Z by del X, and Q, that is equal to del Z by del Y, R, that is equal to del square Z by del X square, S, that is equal to del square Z by del X del Y, T, that is equal to del square Z by del Y square. See, these are the standard notation of partial differential equation. Okay, see here P represented del Z by del X, Q represented del Z by del Y, R represented del square Z by del X square, and S is represented here del square Z by del X into del Y. Here also T is equal to del square Z by del X Y square. So that is the notation of the partial differential equation. Okay. Now, how to form the partial differential equation? How to form? How to form PDE? That means partial differential. How to form? There are two types of process of partial differential equation to formation of the partial differential equation. Two process. That each one is elimination of arbitrary constant. First process, eliminate arbitrary constant, arbitrary constant. Second process, eliminate arbitrary function, arbitrary function. There is the two methods. First one is a arbitrary constant and the second one is a arbitrary function. Then arbitrary constant means, suppose one example z, that is given x square by a square plus y square by b square. See, this one is the an equation, and this equation to formulate into PDE form by eliminate the arbitrary constant, that is a square and that is b square, the two arbitrary constant. We need to eliminate them and to produce partial differential equation, or in the form of P or Q or R or S T, any form. Similarly, another example we consider here, suppose from f z is equal to x square minus y square is there. This is the arbitrary function is there. F means that is a function. We eliminate the arbitrary function and to produce the partial differential equation. That is one process. Okay. So first of all, you consider this value z 2z here. Example, reduce into partial differential equation. 2z is equal to, that one is given x square by a square plus y square by b square reduced into partial differential equation or PDE form by eliminating arbitrary constant arbitrary constant. This is one example. Let's see. First of all, we consider solution process. What is the solution? How to solve this solution? So step 1, define here 2z equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. That is one equation. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. So first of all, this is the equation 1. We need to differentiate this one, and that value becomes 2 into del z by del x, which is equal to 2x by a square c. And 2 is cancelled. Then remaining value is that del z by del x, which is represented as the p, the partial form, which is equal to x by a square, and that equal to p by x is equal to 1 by a square. See, this is the formation p by x, which is represented as 1 by a square. Here 1 by a square is one the arbitrary constant, which is replaced by partial form is p by x. Again we can differentiate with respect to y of the equation 1. So what is the value actually? That is also same thing, 2 del z by del y, 1 differentiate with respect to y. So this value becomes 2y by b square, then 2 as cancel. What is the value? And that is q. This is q value. Q is equal to y by b square. Then that value becomes q by y is equal to 1 by b square. See. 1 by b square and 1 by a square were the both arbitrary constant, which is eliminated the equation 1. So now we also retain this value. Equation 1 can be written. Equation 1 can be written as the form 2z is equal to 1 by a square into x square plus 1 by b square into y square. So this is equal to c. 1 by a square is replaced here. What is this value? 1 by a square. See, 1 by a square. Equation 1 reduced to 2z is equal to 1 by a square into x square plus 1 by b square into y square, and that value becomes, this is p by x and into x square, and this is q by y into y square, that is x cancel, y cancel. What is the value? 2z is equal to px plus qy. See, this is one condition, but PDE for with अतएव equation 2 called as partial differential for the above equation. The above equation is the partial differential form. Okay, so we can represent this is the partial differential equation where arbitrary constants are eliminated. Okay, then next to come here, second question is that, what is the second question? Z is equal to function of x square minus y square. See, this is a function. See, this is the arbitrary function is there. We need to PDE by eliminating the arbitrary function. Here f is function is eliminated. Okay. So what we will do this one? Now first of all we do step 1. How to eliminate this one? Okay. So first of all, differentiate differentiate 1 with respect to x. What is the value actually? See, that is del z by del x, which is equal to c. What is the derivative? That derivative f dash x square minus y square. Okay. Then what is this result? Now that is p, and del z by del x into 2x. See, into 2x is there. So del z by del x into 2x is there. Del z del x into 2x is there. See, this is 2x. Okay. Again, we can do del z by del y. This equation again we differentiate with respect to 1 as with respect to y. Then that is also written as f dash x square minus y square into minus of 2y. See, both the equation, this equation, this is one equation 2 and this is equation 3. See, we need to eliminate this equation. Then what will do? And divide this both the equation. Okay. Now divide what? 2 and 3. What happens? This value that is p, this value that is q. See, p by q, which is equal to, see, when divide this term, so this value and this value, this division you can do, and this divide you can do. So what this term has cancelled. So what is the remaining value? 2 also cancel. P by q, which is equal to minus x by y, and that is same as py plus qx, which is equal to 0. Okay. So this one is the partial differential equation form. There are two examples I have seen here. Okay. So see this one. Thank you.